Welcome back to another reaction video. It's really early in the fucking morning, but there's more Infinity Train shorts, so who cares? More Infinity Train. What else can I really say at this point? I need more. Alright, so first things first. Alright, the Minecart car. Starting the reaction video in 3, 2, 1. Do-do-do-do.
Helmets on, because I am your conductor.
Warren. Sometimes candy can be dangerous, like if you're prone to choking to death or have a nut allergy.
So let's bring along our antihistamine of fearlessness.
And relieve ourselves from all the debilitating fear of what lurks in the darkness.
I will be traveling
Fucking
through
1-1. What's that letter? My friend Miss Tulip, her house, Minnesota. Is 1-1 trying to send her a letter?
This is a coconut filling at best.
Minecart car. Not Minecraft. Minecart.
What a ripoff.
Funny that 1-1 says that right as I make the realization. Oh, hello. Is that 1-1 on an oven mitt?
I'll take your entire stock!
Oh, the cave is destroyed. Hole! It looks like a deer. God damn it, is Headband Guy right?
Look, you cannot tell me that that is not a deer.
I kinda have to agree with his points at this point. Like, it looks like a deer. Demon deer? Demon deer? We're going with demon deer for now. Alright, next, the wedding cake car. Starting the reaction video at 3, 2, 1. Do-do-do-do.
I'm your conductor. One.
One.
And today is the happiest day of my life.
I'm positively glowing. And then I say something sardonic.
I'm sure everything will work
1-1.
out. This train provides challenges, but they won't be hard for you passengers if you're properly prepared.
Just like the lovely couple that sunk into metaphorical marital failure.
You know how long you'll be here, and you're gonna need
Oh
energy
my
in the form of
God.
snacks.
Personal growth can be exhausting.
So this is a
Right.
perfect place. If you push hard enough, it can fit into any container. Backpacks, pockets, boots.
Get your mouth watering for some boot cake.
Which is none. Cake is considered both a solid and a liquid, just like my friend Atticus. That means when you need to get hydrated,
What?
you reach for... I don't think they were invited.
Party crashers.
Huh?
Oh no! Will there be enough for everyone?
What's happening?
That dog can't see
Wait.
who caught it.
They'll be on the honor system.
Wait, you can't gloss over that. No. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, really interesting. So, in the Minecart car, we saw the weird deer hole again. Deer hole. It's just a deer at this point. There's like a group of children. I mean, yeah, people can get on the train, but there's a group of kids on the train. Interesting. Are they hunting the deer? I wonder where this is heading. Hopefully we'll find out in the next shorts. Interesting.
Hey, you know who's gay? Us.